Now let's do our last algebra problem after I erase this. Okay, our last algebra problem is one with two equations and two unknowns, and we'll see this type of thing from time to time this semester. So it's 2x plus y equals 7, and negative 3x plus 4y equals minus 5. Okay, so all our normal algebra rules apply here. We just need to apply them to two equations. And the way to do this properly is to eliminate one of the variables here somehow. Okay, and so here's how you would do something like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and multiply the first equation by 4. So we're going to multiply this whole thing by 4. So when we do that, 4 times 2x gives you 8x here. So we now have 8x there. 4 times y gives you 4y. Okay. And then finally 4 times 7 is 28. Okay? So we've just changed that equation a little bit, and now what we can do is just subtract these two equations. We'll subtract this equation from the top equation. So 8x, so we're subtracting this whole thing from this. 8x minus negative 3x. 8 minus 3 is 11. So we get 11x. Then we subtract these terms. 4y minus 4y is 0. Okay? So we can see why we went ahead and multiplied this one by 4. Now we take 28 and subtract minus 5. 28 minus minus 5 is 33. So now we have a very simple algebraic equation to solve. 11x equals 33. We just divide both sides by 11. 11x divided by 11 is just x. 33 divided by 11 is 3. So we have our solution then for x. Okay, but that's not the end of the story here. We need to now find our solution for y. And to do that, we need to plug x equals 3 back into one of these two equations. It doesn't matter which one. I'm just going to go ahead and plug it into this one here, this 8x plus 4y equals 28. So we plug through this x equals 3 into there. We have 8 times 3. Okay, 8 times 3 is 24 plus 4y, and that equals 28. Okay, subtract 24 from both sides. Subtract 24 from this side just gives you 4y. 28 minus 24 is 4. Okay, another very simple algebraic equation to solve. Divide both sides by 4, and we're left with the solution y equals 1. Okay, so there we went ahead and we solved two equations with two unknowns. We solved for both x and y, and you can plug both of these back into these equations here, and you'll see that they'll work out. We'll just plug these into the second one here. Negative 3x, so negative 3 times 3 is minus 9, plus 4y. Y is 1, so 4 times 1 is 4. So we have minus 9 plus 4. Minus 9 plus 4 is in fact minus 5, so it works out.